Yes my people, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy That Guy, and you lot, the VXO is fully gone, as in the Astro VXO. My bad boy TATLDN is fully gone. I've got also another surprise. So I've got a new car. I got a new bis to the fleet. I said to the fleet, I got one car earlier. I got a new car to my collection, single collection. Anyways guys, the car is right there, and this car let me just show you what this car is in a second. It's a little something. We'll talk about that in a second. We're gonna do a full review on this car, and I'm gonna then change the title to the car. Obviously, if you're watching this after like probably 2 weeks, you're gonna see the name of the car. So yeah, don't be surprised if it's like that. It's not that FR, that's just a Seat, my bad. It's not that Peugeot anyways, isn't it? So it's right there. So yeah, let's show you what this car is.
Break it to life in the flesh, tell a man say it with the chest of the spray, the woof of everywhere. Tell a man be prepared or be scared, cause them up to get and dash of a bomb buckler. Yeah.
Say we could drink, get drunk, it's lit, it's lit. Go jama, go jama, go jama, go jama. Say we could drink, get drunk, it's lit, it's lit. Go jama, 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 go jama.
Urdu movement, hold it steady. This one ain't no jammer, dog. This one a full-time slapper. So much we call me a rasta.
Yes my people, yes. This is my new pride and joy. This is the new toy we're gonna play with on this channel. We're gonna send this car to the moon, or maybe we're not gonna do that, but we're gonna make it stand out. Obviously, you know how I do with my boy That Guy. You know what I done to VXO. Yeah, series acting up. My bad. Yes, you know what I do with the channel. You know what I do on this channel. I modify cars. Even if this channel, I modify cars on this channel. I record a lot of sport cars. I do a lot of car stuff on this car, and this is just my car. Let's go into this car. What's this car about? This car, I can't lie, it's got a stage 1, it's got an MPE exhaust at the back. So this car is currently 398 on the it's been down at 398. It's got the sport exhaust, it's got about 500. Do you know what it is? Let me get the paper out, because there's no point talking, and because I actually got the documents, you know what I'm saying? Which has got the nice interior. Yeah, I just had to get the paper out. So obviously, if you see right there, it made 390 horsepower, and it's got about 553 newton meters torque. That's a lot of torque, you know what I'm saying? So yes, this car has got a stage 1 on it. It's absolutely beautiful. It sounds good, it sounds amazing, you know what I'm saying? It's a 235i. What I absolutely love about this car is that they don't make it anymore. They don't make cars like this anymore, you know what I'm saying? The type of cars they make now is the X Grand Coupe of this car. They stopped making this car in 2016, so technically speaking, this car is a classic. I love the exterior. Obviously it's always going to be fine-tuned compared to the normal T series. The bonnet, you can't really see it, but the bonnet's got like this little arch marks on it that makes it look nice, more aggressive. The front bumper, aggressive much. Obviously I'm going to be putting like a lip on. I'm going to put a lip on it right there. The angel lights, I absolutely love the angel lights. Let me get the lights on. That's what I love about BMWs in general. See the angel lights? That's what I absolutely love about BMWs in general. The angel lights are absolutely beautiful. Matching as demon lights though, something for the future anyways. When I first got the car, the tires, the car was actually running on Michelin Sports, but unfortunately it had a puncture. Then I've had to swap this for, I don't know what that is, but I need to put Michelin Sport on it, but not in the time soon. But that's the exterior. Obviously I spoke about the engine, what the engine is running, 400 whatever. I think he's got an N11 something to it. I don't really know what engine it is, I can't talk about that, but I'll be real, all that stuff about the exterior is all cool. The realest selling point and why I specifically went for this car and not the 135i, 135i are great hatchbacks. Unfortunately, not that I got bored of hatchbacks, but I wanted something with a bit more, I don't know, but yeah, I gravitate technically. So the selling point why I went for this 235i, not any other 235i in the country, was because of the interior. Let me show you the interior one time. You lot, you seeing what I'm working with? Red interior. This is because obviously you know me coming from my bad boy VXLs all red and stuff. I think I'm gonna come to a white car, it's gonna be boring, whatever. Then I see this interior on this, I'm like, nah, I have to get this, because with this interior there's so much I can do. I could put a little bit of like diamond lightning on top, Rolls Royce, what is it called again, starlight roofing. I could get a starlight roofing going on, literally. Besides the starlight roofing, I could get like literally ambient lights going round across, because that's gonna give a nice filled finish. Let me just jump in. Obviously this video is gonna be short, by the way, innit? I just wanted to talk about this car, let you know what I'm working with. So I'm gonna get like an ambient lighting, starlight roofing, probably gonna get Apple CarPlay on this screen, and yeah, this car is absolutely beautiful, as you can see right there. M235i, fully legitimate, you know what I'm saying? But proper spacious in the back a little bit. But you lot, the start is always amazing. Watch the start. It's a bit alright, innit? And one thing about this car is not as loud as my Astra VXL, but I can't lie, I'll take it, because that VXL is beginning to deafen my ears, to be fair, innit? I'm saying, so I'm alright with this. The speaker system on this car is absolutely amazing. But this was just a short video, so I'm gonna be doing a proper first drive in this car, not after this video, but soon after this video. We're gonna do a proper first drive video in this car, because it's getting dark now. And yeah, I hope you lot stay subscribing to me, man, and liking the content, because I'm about to send this car, this M235, I'm about to send it to the space, to the moon, because I want it to look absolutely good. And if you lot are watching this and you got ideas of what I could possibly do with this car, please put it in the comment section right now. I've got a few ideas, it's a surprise for you lot, but I'm putting a body kit standard, obviously the ambient lights, the star roof, yeah, that's it. Obviously CarPlay, that's what I'm thinking for now, innit? If you lot got ideas what I could possibly do to this M235i to make it stand out, to make it look more better, put in the comment section, or DM my socials, T_that_guy on all my socials, T_that guy, DATGUYY. DM me. And thanks for watching. I'm keeping this video short, sweet and simple. Your boy That Guy. Next video is gonna be a POV of me driving this car, Sport Plus, everything. I'm gonna be launching this, doing another video of launching this car, because this car got this car got traction, because it's got launch control, and it's mad because I've always had a manual, so it's like this is gonna be my first time, like literally. Let me just show you lot activate the launch real quick. Obviously I'm not gonna launch it here, but just to show you the launch in it. So literally foot down, the car's gonna wheel spin. But yeah, that's the fun stuff about this car. Fucking amazing, isn't it? Well, yeah, I can smell my tires already. I can literally smell my tires already. But yes, my people, your boy That Guy, and I think that's the end of the video, isn't it? There's too much waffling, but yeah. But anyways, yes, my people, hope you lot let me know what you think. Did you enjoy this car? Did you think I was gonna get this car? Did you think I wasn't gonna get this car? And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, man. And my people, thanks for rocking with me, thanks for staying watching my videos. As always, it's your boy That Guy. One love and peace out. 1 2 mic check, 1 2. Your boy That Guy, you know the vibes. To the channel, it's your boy. Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. Yes, my people, welcome back to another YouTube.
Couldn't pick the phone up in the studio, she thinking that I'm launching it. Hasn't got a lot to lose, she take his life, I'm hoping she don't post none of it.